Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Jay's Workshop. Today I'm going to be installing the MST Induction Kit. I'm getting rid of this original panel filter which is restricting the airflow into the engine. So yeah, the outcome should be more gain in horsepower, better fuel consumption and a smoother drive. So here's a quick video on the stock intake sound. So here's the MST kit that I'm going to be installing. Comes with obviously the cone filter, the casing which the cone's going to be sitting in. Comes with this hose which is going to come straight out the turbo. This one that's going to go into the breather pipe, and two of these and the instructions. So what I'm going to do first of all is remove this clip here, this one and this one, using this tool here. You can just use normal grip pliers, but I've got this tool so I'm removing them first to take off this box. Okay, so I've just loosened this clip back and this hose breather pipe just pulls off literally. There's one rubber grommet bunge here underneath, just pull it up. Okay, so that part has now come off. So if you used to change your standard air filter, you could do it right now, but obviously you want to remove it. So what I need to do now is actually take this one off as well. Okay, so I've removed this one as well. So basically I've taken this clip off, pulled this rubber hose off here, pulled the bunge up literally. It goes in there. This rubber bunge thing here. This thing, which we're going to be reusing. And I've taken this connector off here, so literally can take off the whole factory box. If you want to change this, you literally just take these two Phillips screws out, unclip the 4 clips all around. You can change your air filter, but we don't want this rubbish. Okay, so now we need to take off this clip here. So what happened as I took this clip off is it actually remained down there, but with a little wiggle managed to get it off. So yeah, that's the holes that go straight into the turbo. Right, and now I'm guessing second to make sure I've got the right sizes on these. Thinking, can I use the old clips? Would that be better? No, let's just go with this. So I'm guessing this one, this part, bolts onto here. Yep, sits on there nicely. Literally, as you can see, just slides on. Okay. And then this will sit here on that bunge over there, but obviously I have to get the grommet out of the other one. So these two slots are lined up for this pipe to go through. Get it? There's another grommet pipe that's meant to go in here, which is missing. I'll have to take it off that one. Okay, so there's going to be 2 grommets, one there and one here. This elbow, I'm guessing it's going to go in there. Here. Alright. So this is going to come something like that, and then the breather, I'm guessing, will just go straight into there. And then the extra induction kit will go on in here. So yeah, let me just tighten it all up. Tell you what guys, taking these rubber grommet things, the original one is such a mission. I hate thinking I like it. So I just took one out of here, as you can see. Still got to take these 2 out. So what I've done is actually screwed some WD-40 in there to help it come out. But yeah, it's a bit of a mission, so I've still got to take these 2 out anyway. So I've finally got all the rubber grommets in there. 1, 2, and 3. I've put this hose on here. I've put the clip on as well, making sure it's seated as low as possible. These are 8mm. There's an 8mm socket you can use, that makes it easier. I haven't fully tightened it because obviously got to position all this up properly. So what I'm going to do now is temporarily. Now, do you know what? I'm going to give this a quick wipe down, mate. Right, so what I've done is popped all these in. 1, 2, 3. I've literally just popped it in. You hear it when you push it down. I've temporarily lined this up. Like I said, I haven't tightened nothing up. Put the breather hose connection to that. That should go. So now I've got a rough idea. Everything's going to line up. Just got to get this last clip over here. So I'm just going to test fit it all. I'm going to tighten up all the circlips. So yeah guys, there you have it. A quick install, really easy. It's all fitted in nice. Everything lines up properly. It's all tightened down now. I've tightened all these clips up. Tighten this one up as well. And the last one over here, tighten that up. Just make sure this is sat in there properly before you tighten it. So I'm gonna give it a quick start up and then see what it sounds like. No warning lights, which is good. Gas, that sounds wicked, man. I wasn't expecting it to sound like that. You can hear the turbo flutter through there. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and you'll be seeing a lot more content on this Mk7 Golf 1.2 TSI Bluemotion. It's actually my new car, but it's night time now, so I can't really show you what I've done, but I've done quite a few things, but I'll go over it on another video. But yeah, this is my first thing that I've done to the car, so I hope you guys like it.